So we're gonna start this vlog off. We're gonna see if y'all can tell any difference in anything. I can see a little difference. It's cold this morning. I don't know if y'all can see him back there. I don't think y'all can, but y'all can hear him. I know y'all can hear him. Got the 718 back there running. He's putting some down rows ahead of me. I'm actually running a little bit late this morning getting to my cutter like I'm supposed to be. I'm busy doing paperwork and stuff. But we got Puppy and Iceman already gone. We are finally getting to go back to our normal meal today. We're limited. We only get to haul 6 loads there, but they'll be in and out fast enough we can get 2 more to our other meal. We'll actually be able to do our 8 loads between the 2 trucks today. Thank you, Jesus. And you can see Mickey didn't get to tear his wood pile down. We didn't have any extra trucks this morning, so we're going to be running out of room after a while, more than likely what's going to end up happening. And so we're not going to be able to run at a big breakneck speed. We got to get down here and check our ground out from yesterday. Y'all saw I explained to y'all how it was still kind of wet in the woods. We must be doing better this morning for the rubber tire to be down there cut and him not having any issues. So we got to get down there and get all that checked out. And we're just going to do some logging today, guys. Hopefully, for y'all, I'm sure y'all are hoping something wild happens. But for me, I'm hoping we just have a normal, easy day. Well, I guess first thing right off the bat here, old Captain Bradley, the puppy, is gonna come down here and get bogged down. Be a good test for the audio. You can see how good y'all can hear them pipes on that truck screaming. We've been going straight across and backing around the corner. Well, I guess he just couldn't. That wasn't good enough for him. He had to try and go down in here somewhere where we ain't bladed the road yet. And he is now bogged down. Uh-oh, well, I said he's bogged down. Look at him. Here he comes. Now he's getting mud all over his truck. No, he ain't gonna do it. He's going so far and then that's it. He can pull back up. He's gonna get another run at it. Got old Michael coming. Get out of the way, Michael! Turbo! He's gonna get it. Look at how muddy he got his truck. Why can't you stick to the beaten path?
Hey, that looked like that needed packing.
Oh, it needed packing?
I asked Mickey, I said, you reckon that's drying up? He said, I'm no trying. It ain't drying up.
I swear. Oh, golly. I just don't know what we're gonna do with that driver, y'all. Alright, so show y'all what we got going on here, what we're doing there. Explain anyway what we're doing. You can see, or you can see the way the track cutter was pulling this lip over here. Well, I was just kind of pulling it back up in the road. This road is flattened out with us working on it. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get the edge cut off of it, and then I'm gonna take these tracks and then walk down the side of the ditch, and that way the water will continue to run off of it if we was to get any more rain. But we should be done in here before the rain gets back going. But it's just starting to dry up. The road's starting to come back together. So I'm just trying to get the center pulled back up in the road, so it'll crown back up, hopefully, as we're working it, and pack in nice and tight. So it's lunch break time. Watch Michael place his trash around a little bit there. In front of his down row must be getting a little spongy on him. See, we're not having to shovel it today like I thought we may have, or we're gonna have to. It's mushier than all get out, but it did tack up, and you can see it's coming together nicely. See our nice thinning job we got going on here. This is what it looks like before thin, or after the thin. Everything's nice and spaced. And this is what it looks like before the thin. Now there are down rows cut in that over there, so it is a little more open than what it typically would be. And this stuff over here across the road, I thinned this over here 3 years ago now. Had to think there for a second. Alright, so we got Matthew's delimber pull through fixed. I remember the other day I was telling you about how we had a valve that was messed up in it. We was waiting on the valve to get in. Well, the valve got in. We got that taken care of. So we got the valve and everything taken care of, and Matt's delimber got his knife back fixed, got his saw back up to operating speed like it's supposed to be. Not sure if I've explained it yet today or not, but we are not going to be able to make up anything extra today to a degree. We did start going back to our normal meal, but they've cut it. They are only allowing 6 loads a day. And our other mill is like really screwed up, so truck's doing everything they can. It just, when you're short that second truck or that third truck, it kills you. If any hiccup happens while you don't have that third truck, it puts you in a pit that you just ain't never gonna get out of. That's where we're at right now. We're in a pit. I think when we get done today, we'll only had 29 loads for 4 days worth of work. It's not good, guys. We need to be at least 32 at the end of the 4th day, and it's just not going to happen. But hopefully we're going to be enough ahead. As good as our Marco mill was unloading my trucks this morning, hopefully they're going to get back from their PCA run and we will jack them up with a load for tomorrow. And they'll run that load to PCA, and then they'll come back here, get 3 more, 3 apiece, 6 total to our Martin mill. And then they'll take their last load of the week because it's not looking like anybody's going to take wood on Saturday this week. We'll take, hopefully we can get 10 in tomorrow. Hopefully. And if that happens, that'll put us at 39 for the week, so. Everybody's giving it their all, that's for daggone sure. It ain't happening because of lack of effort. Oh, and they're putting us on quota next week too. Last time I seen us go on quota in January, it was 2008, and the economy crashed. That's not a good sign, so we're all a little nervous on what's fixing to come. Always fun digging these things out. The biggest thing, if you've never been around these things before, Yeah, make sure you get underneath here. The rest of this over here, that ain't got a thing in the world to do with it. I'm out of breath. I've been digging on them. I take a tree and I shove all this out, and then I take me like a pry bar or something, and I dig out underneath my roller. As long as you keep under the roller clean, you'll be alright. But if you ever let this get packed in there and get hard, you dang near have to take the roller off of it up there. If it'll focus or lighten up, whatever you want to call it. You dang near have to take this here roller off to get in there and get all the dirt out of it. And you're really probably going to need a pressure washer at that point too. So it's very key to keep underneath these things dug out. Alright, so we got the tracks dug out, and you can see it sitting back there. She's ready to go to work for the next day. Since we stood up there and watched the loaders work, we got our quota numbers in for the one meal that I was unsure of for tomorrow. We only have 3 loads, and then 6 loads to our typical meal. So it's better than, I mean, that's a good quota to have in the timber that we're in right now, if we weren't trying to play catch up from earlier in the week. But it is what it is. We'll take what we got, and we'll make the best of it. It doesn't look like we're going to be working Saturday, so that's going to suck. Again, trying to catch up. But anyway, maybe we'll get some shop video for y'all this weekend or something like that. But anyway, we're going to wrap this video up, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching today. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. Leave me a comment if you got any questions. Until next video, catch y'all next time.